Good morning to all of you. Myself Preeti Verma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rama University. Today I am going to discuss about the heterocyclic compound. So before start of heterocyclic compound, firstly we'll discuss about the cyclic compound. So cyclic compound, in chemistry, cyclic compound is a molecule in which atoms are joined together to form a ring or loop like structure. So we can also saying like that cyclic compound is a branch of organic chemistry in which atoms or heteroatoms and hydrocarbon atoms are joined together and to form a ring like structure. So this is all about the cyclic compound. Now cyclic compound are further divided into two parts. One is homocyclic and another one is heterocyclic compound. So firstly we'll discuss about the homocyclic compound. Homocyclic compound are those compound in which hydrocarbon, only one hydrocarbon atom is attached to the cyclic ring. Means the example of benzene, this is a benzene and this is a naphthalene. These both are the example of homocyclic compound because only one atoms means hydrocarbon atom are present in the ring. So this is an example of homocyclic compound. And then the heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound are those compound in which two or more elements means different elements are present in the ring structure, means different element like nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. So these are the heteroatom element which are present in the cyclic compound. So this is the example like pyridine, pyrimidine, thiophene, furan and pyrrole. These all are the example of heterocyclic compound. So now I will discuss about the classification of heterocyclic compound. I already discussed about the heterocyclic compound. We deal with the synthesis properties and its application. Now I will discuss about the classification of heterocyclic compound. So before classification I will tell you one thing: compound contain one atom. If any compound, any cyclic structure containing one atom means one heteroatom is present, that means it is a stable compound. If compound containing two or more atom means the compound is a reactive intermediate. Okay, then the classification of heterocyclic compound start. Firstly, three membered heterocyclic compound. So these are the two example of three membered heterocyclic compound. First is a aziridine, is a saturated compound because there is a no bond is present in the ring. Saturation means only single bond is present in the ring, and unsaturation means double or triple bond present in the ring. Means aziridine is an example of saturated hydrocarbon compound because it is a three member heterocyclic compound because having a three atoms are present in the cyclic structure. So this is an example of three member heterocyclic compound. Same with aziridine. And now four member heterocyclic compound, and the example of four member heterocyclic compound agitidine and agite. Agitidine is the saturated hydrocarbon because no bond is present, and agite is the example of unsaturated because no bond is present, and four membered heterocyclic compound because four ring is present in the compound. Now five membered heterocyclic compound like tetrahydrofuran and furan, both are the example of five membered heterocyclic compound because five atom are present in the cyclic compound. 1 2 3 4 and 5 atom are present in the heterocyclic compound, so it is called five membered heterocyclic compound. These are tetrahydrofuran is a saturated compound and furan is a unsaturated because of presence of the double bond. Okay, now six membered heterocyclic compound, piperidine and pyridine, both are the six membered heterocyclic compound because six atoms are present in the cyclic structure. Piperidine is a saturated and pyridine is again unsaturated because of the presence of the double bond. Now seven membered heterocyclic compound, saturated compound is azipane and unsaturated compound is azipene. Seven atoms are present, so it is called seven membered heterocyclic compound. Now eight membered heterocyclic compound, Azoxane is an example of the saturated 8-member heterocyclic compound because of the presence of the 8 atom in the ring, and unsaturated compound like azoxane is an unsaturated compound because of the presence of the double bond in the compound. Now the 9-membered heterocyclic compound azonane, and azonine is an example of 9-membered heterocyclic compound because 9 atoms are present in the cyclic structure, and this azonane is a saturated because of the no bond is present in the structure, and azonine is a unsaturated because of presence of the double bond. And the last one is condensed heterocyclic compound. Condensed heterocyclic compound are those compound in which 2 or more ring are fused together to form a cyclic structure. Means the example of indole in which benzene ring are fused with pyrrole ring. So this is a indole and common name in indole. So, and the second one is benzofuran. Benzene ring is fused with furan ring. So this is a benzofuran. This is an example of condensed heterocyclic compound. And the last is quinoline. Quinoline in which benzene is fused with pyridine ring. So this is the common name of quinoline. This is the all example of condensed heterocyclic compound. Thank you so much for watching my video lecture.